Newton-meters of torque, all-wheel drive, and a 7-speed robotised manual gearbox with launch control. It weighs around 1,600 kilograms and costs from £238,000 back in 2015. The Lamborghini Revuelto has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 plus a hybrid system with 3 electric motors. Combined, you get 1,015 horsepower, 1,062 Newton-meters of torque, all-wheel drive, and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at under 1,900 kilograms and costs from around £447,000. The Ferrari 812 Superfast has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, 800 horsepower, 718 Newton-meters of torque, rear-wheel drive, and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs around 1,600 kilograms and costs from £253,000 in 2017. The Porsche 911 GT3 has a 4 litre naturally aspirated flat 6, 510 horsepower, 470 Newton-meters of torque, is rear-wheel drive, and has a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,400 kilograms and costs from £146,000. Now, before we get into the racing, we are going to find out which of these cars is loudest when you rev them at a standstill. So I'm going to rev up my Aventador. We've got Rory holding a sound meter just behind me. I'm going to give it some revs. Valves are open on my Gintani exhaust. Oh, by the way, thanks to GV Performance and Ollie for sorting this race out for us. But here we go. Pretty loud. Let's find out how many decibels that was. Rory! Peak decibels 125.7. Let's find out how loud that is. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. 125.7 is a jet engine or a live rock concert next to the speakers. It's very loud then. It's basically at the threshold of pain, meaning that without hearing protection, even short exposure can be dangerous. Well done, Gintani. You've created a dangerous exhaust. Now let's see if any of the other cars are louder. So hey Tommy, do you think that your Revuelto is going to be louder than this?
I don't think so.
Let's do the test. I could actually see the blast from your exhaust blowing the little blooming mic, Fluffy. Let's find out how many decibels.
So that was 129.7 decibels.
That's louder than this. Now let's move on to the next car. So we've got Sam, you've got another V12. Go for it. Oh, the bangs on that might take it over Tommy's score. 129.5. Woohoo! Right, final one. Down on cylinders, down on capacity. It's a Porsche GT3. It's got a soft limiter, hasn't it? That's not going to have helped.
125.7.
Wow. So
3, 2, 1.
That was brilliant, that was.
This is too fast.
Oh, that Ferrari's close. Come on! Ferrari's coming. Oh, hell no! So then what exactly happened? Well, the Revuelto won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.1 seconds. The 812 took 10.8 seconds, the Aventador SV took 10.9 seconds, and the 911 GT3 was last with a time of 11.7 seconds.